I'm Alex. Let me give you an introduction to our optical measuring system briefly. First, VMQ Quick. Built for speed, it features advanced one-click measurement technology with a wide field of view, large depth of field, and high resolution for clear imaging. It combines both speed and high precision, ideal for 2D bulky inspection tasks. VMC Classic boasts an innovative design, fast autofocus and zoom lens, programmable LED lighting system. It is the good choice when your precision requirement is around 2 micron or above. It's widely used for quality control processes in rough machining, plastic injection, and die casting industries. VMU Ultra integrates cutting-edge technologies in vision, control, and software. It supports flying snap, AI-powered edge detection, and multi-sensor capabilities, including probe and laser. Perfect for high-end QC fields like optical communications, PCB manufacturing, high-precision machining, watches, medical components, mold making, etc. CMZ Zenith is our highest accuracy optical measuring system so far. It equips with 2 sets of optical systems and 2 pieces of granite bases. The measuring accuracy is up to 0.8 microns, and the maximum magnification is up to 6,000 times. It is designed for ultra-precise measurement applications such as semiconductor inspection, PCB manufacturing, chips, macro assembly, and optical communications. VMG gantry built for measuring large-scale workpiece. Machine X travel is up to 2.5 meter. Y travel is up to 3 meter. It uses a moving bridge structure with a stable granite base to guarantee the accuracy and the stability. Suitable for fast measurement of large parts like automobile panels, LCD panels, and other large machined components. More information, please text me. Thank you.